It's true that the Samsung Galaxy S23 series didn't launch until February 2023, but that hasn't prevented us from anticipating what the Samsung Galaxy S, the 24th of May, offer to the mobile scene in the new year. Three of Samsung's most recent flagship models are among the finest phones available right now, and early indications indicate that the popular S series will continue to push performance and battery limits with the company's next models. Assuming there are three models in the S24 line, you'll likely have to choose between 6.1, 6.6, and 6.8 inches screens. However, according to a Galaxy S24 Plus screen leak, the middle model may be slightly larger at 6.65 inches. Unless Samsung surprises us, we expect the vanilla model and the S24 Plus to stick with the S23's 120 Ultra AMOLED display, with the S24 Plus sporting the S23's glorious Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. Additionally, it has a dynamic refresh rate that can scale between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, with a potential peak speed of 144 Hz this time around. One source, however, claims that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus would be able to dynamically vary their refresh rates between 1 and 120 Hz. Their predecessors could only decrease to 48 Hz, so this would be a significant improvement and might help extend battery life. The scale of manufacturing will determine if this new, more energy-efficient M13 OLED panel is used on the S24 and S24 phones as well. Also fascinating is the possibility that the phone's real appearance may alter significantly from what we're accustomed to. However, there are rumors that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's frame may be made of titanium rather than aluminum like its predecessor. Titanium is more costly, but it is also stronger, and it is also more expensive for the phone's cameras. The telephoto sensor on the S23 Ultra will be replaced with a new one on the S24 Ultra, but the phone's primary camera will stay the same, according to tipster Ice Universe. The S24 Ultra may use a Gen 4 optics zoom camera design in the near future, which would greatly enhance the phone's zoom capabilities, according to a more recent tweet from our clouds. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.